Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Lemax Christmas is probably one of the most enchanting ways to bring the holiday spirit to life. These miniature villages capture the magic of Christmas, offering a delightful blend of nostalgia and creativity. From quaint cottages to bustling town squares, Lemax villages provide endless possibilities for creating a personalized holiday display that will captivate viewers of all ages. Number 5. Lemax Santa Carousel number 34682. This is the Lemax Santa Carousel, model number 34682. It's a charming animated building perfect for your holiday village. It was released in 2014. This carousel is part of the Lemax Carnival collection. It's designed to bring the fun and excitement of the carnival to your home. It's a great addition to any Lemax village. Watch as the carousel comes to life with its animated effects and motion. The included adapter powers all the features, bringing the scene to life. It's sure to be a favorite. The set includes a 4.5V adapter. This adapter features volume control and a power switch, giving you full control over the experience. It's easy to set up and enjoy. With this Lemax Santa Carousel, you can bring the magic of the carnival to your home. It's a wonderful piece to display during the holidays. Enjoy the animated fun. What we like. This carousel features a charming animated display, bringing a festive atmosphere to your village. It also includes volume control and a power switch for easy operation. If you are looking for a classic carnival scene with customizable sound and lighting, you should consider this one. What people say. The details are amazing. The houses are very well made. The lights are bright and add to the overall effect. Number 4. Lemax KRINGLE'S Cottage number 95462. This is KRINGLE'S Cottage, an animated building from Lemax. It's a charming addition to any holiday village. The cottage brings a touch of magic to your display. Released in 2019, this cottage features delightful animated effects. Watch as the scene comes to life with its charming motions. Part of the Santa's Wonderland collection, this building fits right in. It's designed to create a festive atmosphere for your holiday setup. The package includes a 4.5V adapter for easy setup. It also has volume control and a power switch, giving you full control over its features. The cottage has animated effects and motion. It is sure to captivate anyone who sees it. What we like. This cottage is part of Santa's Wonderland, creating a magical Christmas scene. It has volume control and animated effects. If you like a whimsical and enchanting display with a touch of Santa's magic, you should consider this one. What people say. The train runs well and all the movement is smooth. I can control the volume too. Movement, colorful, and looks great setting on our entertainment center. Number 3. Lemax Roundup animated building with adapter. This is the Lemax Roundup, a charming animated building. It's perfect for adding some fun to your village display. The Roundup was first released in 2012. It's a classic piece that many collectors enjoy. This building belongs to the Carnival collection. It brings the excitement of the carnival right to your home. It comes with a 4.5V adapter, which includes volume control and a power switch. This makes it easy to control all of its functions. The Roundup features animated effects and motion. Watch as it comes to life with its exciting features. What we like. This carnival ride is a dynamic addition to your village, with animated effects and motion. It also includes volume control and a power switch. If you are looking for a lively and engaging carnival scene, you should consider this one. What people say. Love this, looks brand new. Works good. Wonderful colorful carnival piece we added to our 3-tiered Christmas village set. What a fantastic Christmas addition to my platform, I could watch it for hours, works great. Number 2. Lemax LUDWIG'S Wooden Nutcracker Factory number 95463. This charming building is from the Caddington Village collection. It was released in 2019, and it's sure to bring a festive touch to your display. Watch as the factory comes to life with its animated effects. The intricate details and moving parts make it a captivating centerpiece. See the magic unfold with the delightful motion of the Nutcracker factory. It's a joy to watch and adds a dynamic element to any village scene. The included 4.5V adapter powers all the functions. It also features volume control and a power switch for easy operation. This building is a perfect addition to your Caddington village. It is a wonderful way to celebrate the holiday season. What we like. This factory is part of the Caddington village, adding a touch of elegance to your display. It has volume control and animated effects. If you like a sophisticated and detailed village scene, you should consider this one. What people say. This is so adorable. It was the perfect addition to my Christmas village. The sound quality is clear. The conveyor belt runs smoothly. This one came with the cord when some of them don't. It's very entertaining to watch. It is well made and very detailed. Another great Lemax building, well animated and detailed. Number 1. Lemax Snowflake Paradrop, 34634 UK. Get ready for a winter wonderland with this amazing Lemax piece. It's a delightful addition to any holiday village, bringing the magic of a carnival right to your home. This animated piece features both sights and sounds, creating a truly immersive experience. Watch as the snowflakes gently fall, and listen to the festive music that fills the air. The vibrant multicolor design adds a touch of cheer to any display. The lights and details are sure to captivate everyone who sees it. Perfect for creating a joyful atmosphere during the holiday season. This will become a cherished part of your seasonal decorations for years to come. This is more than just a decoration, it's an experience. It brings the excitement of the carnival to your home, creating a memorable display for all ages. What we like. This carnival features multicolor lights and sound effects, creating a vibrant atmosphere. It is designed to enhance the overall carnival experience. If you are looking for a lively and immersive carnival scene, you should consider this one. What people say. Excellent addition to my Christmas village. I love how it looked and worked. The kids love it. This is a perfect addition. Este producto es de excelente calidad, viene muy bien empacado, lo recomiendo. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.